Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for Jenny. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all gonna be about Foxtail skincare. So I have tried few of the products and it's gonna be a one brand review. I'm super excited to share about these products with you. So let's get started without any further delay. So first comes about the cleansers. I have tried their Daily Do It cleanser and another one is the acne control cleanser. First let me speak about the Daily Do It cleanser. This is the hydrating cleanser and this comes in this beautiful turquoise color packaging. It comes with a pump as well, and I have emptied like 3 to 4 bottles of it because it is so good. It's so gentle. It is suitable for all skin types, and it is so gentle that it can be used even in your AM routine. Yeah, this has sodium hyaluronate and red algae extract, so it just removes your makeup like not waterproof, like normal everyday makeup, your sunscreens and your dirt and grime from your skin. So it's like a two-in-one product. Whenever you feel like lazy to do an oil cleanser and then come to water-based cleanser, you can definitely use this because I have been sometimes lazy and I've used this for that. It did effectively remove my makeup so well and I really liked it for that. Yeah, I would give this a rating of 9.5 on 10. Next, speaking about this acne control cleanser, yeah, I must say this is one of the best acne control cleanser that I have tried because few acne control or salicylic acid cleansers or face washes does dry out my skin, but this did not. That's why I absolutely love it. So it contains salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. It's great for like oily acne prone skin. It is so good. It again comes in this beautiful blue color packaging. It also comes with a pump, which is something great and super helpful. Yeah, again, it is great to just decongest your pores. It's great for oily skin. It's great for acne prone skin. It just does its job so well and effectively. So this would get a definitely 10 on 10 for sure. So next is the serum category. First, I'm going to speak about this daily hydrating serum. So this comes in this beautiful grayish blue kind of a packaging with a dropper, of course. So it's so good. I have emptied like 2 to 3 bottles again, and this is one of the best hyaluronic acid serums that I've tried. It's super hydrating, it's super nourishing. It is not tacky on the skin, which is something great because few hyaluronic acid serums that I've tried has been tacky on my oily skin. I am not sure what is the reason, but this did not, and I absolutely loved using it. My skin felt very nourished, plumped, and hydrated, and that's why I bought like 2 to 3 bottles, and I was using it for the past 6 months, and I absolutely love it. This contains hyaluronic acid and alpha bisabolol, so it is great like to calm down your redness, inflammation, and it just deeply hydrates your skin. So this is a so good product, I would say. If you're looking for a good and affordable hydrating serum, you can definitely give this a try, and this would definitely get a 10 on 10 for sure. So next is a serum for like acne prone skin, and it's great for hyperpigmentation or pigmentation concerns. I'm speaking about the niacinamide clarifying serum. So this comes in this beautiful pink color packaging. Speaking about Foxtail's product packaging, I must say the color selections are so good. It's like pleasing and a girly thing, I would say, according to me. Yeah, I really like the packaging colors a lot. So coming back to the product, this contains 12% niacinamide and azelaic acid. So this works on a double encapsulating technology, so it just slowly absorbs into the skin and works effectively. So it definitely works on fading your acne marks, your pigmentation, uneven skin tone, and also helps in fighting the acne. So it is so good. I was like using it for 2 months. I must say the frequency of acne has definitely reduced, and I must say it is definitely faded out the acne marks so well. It's one of the best product, I should say. If you're looking for a good product to take care of both your acne and pigmentation concern, then this is the one for you, and I would give this a 9 on 10. Now, I have tried their eye cream, especially not me, but my mom has been trying their eye cream a lot nowadays, like almost a month now. And I'm speaking about the brightening under eye cream from Foxtail. So, this contains vitamin C, caffeine, and hyaluronic acid. So, all of these three ingredients together helps in just depuffing your eyes, reducing the dark circles, and your dull under eyes. It just helps in brightening. So, this comes in this beautiful green color packaging, and it also has this applicator, so it's so cooling when you massage it slightly under your eyes, and you can apply this cream as usual. My mom definitely loved it because it was so hydrating to her under eye area as she's aging. So the fine lines and wrinkles are noticeably slightly reduced, I should say, not much, but slightly. But her under eye seems to brighten than before. So that's why this is one of the great eye under eye cream if you wanna try. So you can definitely give it a try, and I've good this a good 9 on 10 for sure. Next is these moisturizer category. So I tried their hydrating moisturizer which contains ceramide. I must say it is one of the best lightweight ceramide containing moisturizer that I have tried. Even though I have oily skin, I have tried it during winters and it worked so well in nourishing my skin but did not make my skin look oily or greasy. And that's why I like it. Especially if you have like slightly oily to dry skin, you can definitely give this a try. But if you have like extremely oily skin like mine during summers especially, you might just skip it, or else you will definitely love it on how lightweight it is, on how nourishing it is on your skin, and it is so good for weakened skin barrier as well. So this is a great one. Again, it comes in this beautiful lilac packaging with again a pump. It is travel friendly, so it's so good, it's affordable. And what else do we need in a moisturizer, right? So it covers everything that we need in a moisturizer. Yeah, this I would give this a rating of 9.5 on 10 because I have my mom and I have just completed more than 2 to 3 bottles of it. Next category is a sunscreen, right? So my mom got to try out the Foxtail Dewy sunscreen. I thought of trying the matte sunscreen, but I haven't yet tried it. But my mom tried their dewy sunscreen and she really likes it. Even though it gives the dewy finish, it does not make your skin look so dull or oily, and that's why she liked it. It is a very, very lightweight sunscreen, so it comes in this beautiful yellow color bottle again with the pump as usual. So this is the first bottle she's been trying, and it's almost an empty. Only so much is left, and yeah, she's gonna empty it super soon. Yeah, she really liked it, and it contains SPF 50 with PA4 plus, so which is something great and provides a broad spectrum protection to your skin. It also has niacinamide, pro vitamin B5, and vitamin C. So if you have like normal to dry skin, you can definitely give this dewy sunscreen a try. But if you have like oily to combination skin, I would say you can skip it. So let me just show you the texture. So this is half the texture looks like. It's a very light lotion like sunscreen. Yeah, it is a dewy finish sunscreen. So it gives you that natural glow to your skin, I should say. Yeah, but it's super easily blendable. No white cast, even though it has SPF 70 and PA4 plus. It has no white cast. Can you see how easily it blended on my skin? It is so good. It's dewy. Yeah, it is so good. Yeah, I would give this a good 8.5 on 10 for sure. So we spoke about all the everyday essentials, right? Now is a weekly routine. So I have two masks with me from Foxtail. So first I'm going to speak about this Skin Radiance mask. So this comes in this beautiful purple color tub. They give us spatula as well. Yeah, they give with a spatula, and this is a beautiful purple clay mask. It was like trending all over Instagram, and I just wanted to try it, and this is how it looks like. Almost half of the tub is empty. You should know how much we love it. I and my mom actually use regularly in our weekend routine. It has like good Brazilian purple clay, kaolin clay, and lactic acid. So it also gently exfoliates our skin. It is great for like to brighten your skin, like for your uneven skin tone, and also to get rid of any tan you have on your skin. It is so good. It also helps in preventing the blackheads or whiteheads, or you can deep clean your congested pores, whatnot. It is so good. It is multitasking. Yeah. And it also provides that instant cooling sensation after you wash it out. And I absolutely love it. It feels so refreshing to my skin. Yeah. This will definitely get a 9.5 on 10 for sure. So the last product of today's video is everything about the overnight glow mask. So it contains AHA, PHA, and provitamin B5 in it, and comes in this beautiful green color packaging again with a pump. So it's like a very minimalistic packaging and colorful packaging. Yeah. So what they say, it does reveal glowing skin. It evens out skin tone and skin texture. Though I've been using it for like once every week, I've like not seen much changes on my skin because of this particular product, I must say. Yeah, everything was like super duper hit for me, but this one was not worth the hype, I would say, from Foxtail. Yeah, I would always look forward for a better, much more formulation from Foxtail. According to this overnight glow mask, it has a very light gel kind of a texture. It's like an overnight mask. Post cleansing, you can just apply a thin layer all over your skin, let it settle, and then you can just follow up with a moisturizer and go to your bed. That's it. You need not wash it after 10 or 15 minutes. It's not like that. It's like an overnight mask. Even though it's an overnight mask with containing AHA, PHA, it did not work much on my skin, at least. I'm not sure about others. It is according to only my experience I'm speaking about in this video. So this is like a decent okayish product, I would say, and I would give this 6 on 10 for sure. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page, Style for a Journey, for more self-care, fashion, and makeup content, because I post more regularly over there. And if you like to watch such one brand reviews, long form videos, detailed videos, and wear test kind of a videos, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button and the black icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Yeah, that's it for today's video, and let me know which is the next brand that I want to speak about. Do comment down below. I'll definitely give it a shot, and I'll let you know about my reviews on those products. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Until next time, bye bye.